What's up, guys? So I'm gonna make my animation. So this is pretty simple. So this is the Stickman animation. So I'm making Stickman season 2 right now. So it's been combination of Stickman Dice part 2. So let's get started. So I use Premiere Pro or After Effects, and also other YouTubers I use Camtasia. So yeah, this should be the program. So I use After Effects because it has curves, but Camtasia it doesn't have a curves in it. So yeah, let's get started. So I need Premiere Pro because to edit or cut the videos, effects, and more. So I can use Premiere Pro 2021, or if you want to use Premiere Pro CS6, it's okay. But yeah, it's okay about that Premiere Pro different version. But it actually works though. It actually works. To get started, you need the this animation. You need an intro right here. Place an intro right here. So I'm going to make a new a new project now. Click new project and then project. Or I'm going to use production. Yeah. New new production. So yeah. I have a new sequence at 1080p. If you want to make it more that, so I'll pick it 1080p. Yes. Okay, this is your project now. So and then you need to drag and drop the file. Once you're getting to new project, click new and project. Once you see this, so type your name about the project, and then click OK when you put the name. And if you want to put your intro, you will need enough to do. You need to drag your intro right here. And there we go, we got the intro right now. So if you want to make not lag, you need to press enter key or go to sequence and go to render effects in and out. This might take a while to get into B, but yeah. So yeah, this is the basics of the editing. So let's go to the After Effects when I animation do. So let's go to the main event. Yeah, so you can put videos, audios, or something else. So drag it up, drag and or drop, and there we go. You got a music now. Or if you want to use special effects, you need to go to Effects tab, like done color, change color, and drag here. Once you drag, go to Effects Controls, and you're gonna change the color, like example. You're gonna want to change the background. Like this one, so yeah, the color. Yeah, as you can see, the color is still changing as you can see. So the blue and also this. Yeah, this is the color. And also the text here, this is the example now. So let's go to the main event. So go to After Effects. Yeah, go to After Effects. It's opening to your ad when you running any version of Windows. It's okay, it's kind of your performance better. So if you want to see the screen from the After Effects, you need have to do on the way up. You need to go to new project and go to new composition. Then type your code, type your name on it. So like clip 1 or clip 2. So I'm gonna use 2. Yeah. So the seconds, I want 20 seconds. Yeah, it should be. So I recommend using the black color, cause yeah, because it's amazing. Or if you want to make the special effects about it, I pick another color. Yep, it's color. So I stick with black. Cause yeah, once you're getting to B, yeah, we're gonna use that to the pixels ratio and the frames per second. I recommend maximum of 60 or 30 because 120 it doesn't support on YouTube. So I recommend this. And then once you're getting to B, so if you want the 4K, you need to go to here, 4K or 8K. So when you're doing that, you need to click OK. Then you start a new project now. Okay, so this is your animation. So yeah, we're gonna go to the folders, your project folder. This is where your animation do. Go to background and pick your background now. And I'm going to stick with stick animation, yeah, because where I'm making Stickman now. So this is my backgrounds right here, and this is for the teaser version. Yeah, just zoom in out using After Effects. So yeah, if you want to search my background, you need to go to Google and search a background for that. So like plain background, as you can see, and then building background, as you can see. You want to put your animation, you need to use that, but yeah, but it's even cooler. So if you want to drag your project, you need to press this and drag and drop here. See, I stick with this After Effects because Camtasia is kind of hard to use, kind of easier to use, but it doesn't have a curves or anything or from that. So this one doesn't have a call out, but you need to create advanced call outs, custom. So you want to shoot the background, you have to do, you need to drag into the project, and if you want to zoom in, you need to press the arrows and click transform, and then zoom it like this. So 250 you recommend yourself, which is gonna be when the picture is 720p, use 150%. It's 1080p, it's okay, but when you're using a 4K, what you have to do, you need to select 200% to get into the maximum zoom for that. Yeah, this is the background. So now let's go to characters folder. So we're gonna do, if we want to get into the color of that, and we want to get into that, so I'm going to delete the planes because we're gonna go special effects on that. If you want, oh, I'm sorry about that. I accidentally opened Adobe Animate. I decided to go to File Explorer. So if you want to go to if you want to make the background tonight, or, and yeah, I'm sorry about that because I accidentally opened that. So you need to create nighttime. So we're gonna use Photoshop or any applications. When your application is in Photoshop, go to Photoshop and don't forget this, because yeah, I accidentally opened that. Yeah, we're gonna go open Photoshop because we're gonna make it tonight. We're gonna make it night effect. Yeah, we're gonna go night effect. Yeah. We're gonna do, we need to drag and drop the photo into the project, and it pops this window. So now if you want to get nighttime, you need to go to adjustment and go adjustment, and we're gonna go to color saturation and go to scenes, and I go lightness or blues because the sky's blue. So I recommend that. So if you want to put a different sky color, you want to use that. As you can see, it looks pretty good for that. So science. Yeah, as you can see, the different background. So yeah. So we're gonna go make it the background nighttime. So we're gonna go into that thing. Go into plus sign right here. Yeah, we're gonna go to this. Oops. So what I'm going to do. Okay, we have to make it nighttime. We're gonna do. You need to go to this one and go to color lookup and press this load this one and go to moonlight, and there we go, you got nighttime. Or if you want to late sunset, it's sunset about that. It's night from day. So yeah. So I want the background, it looks pretty on the like the one, so we have to change the color there. Don't too much that light. But yeah, I go to scenes. And what's the background now? This one. So we're gonna go to file, go to export and export as. And my keyboard shortcut is Shift F2 because my hand is probably reach it. So this might take a while. Once you're getting to be export. So we're gonna make it larger resolution for that. We're gonna go PNG. Disable transparency. And now I'm in 1920 and 1080p. And 1920 and 1080p. Yeah, if this one is kinda weirdo. So keep it these changes here, because there might be take a effect for that. Go to export. And if you want to save a file, you need to go to that. Go to your projects folder, the animation and background here. So planes. And once you get into B, yeah, we're gonna move down the background, as you can see. You just made the background now. So now we need to drag it up here. And then drag it up to the timeline and done. As you can see, the background is now looking graveyard now. So if you want to use some background here, we're gonna make it the grass a bit darker. We're gonna go to effects here. Yeah, when you go to effects from the Adobe After Effects, it might take a while because it's not responding. After Effects is frozen like that. Sometimes, and I do it every day. So we're gonna go to brightness, the color correction here. Make it dark a little bit. Maybe this should be. Okay, once you get into the background now, and now it's time to start the animation. Yeah, it's not good because of that, but yeah, no, anyway. I go to the characters folder and drag the characters. I'm going to put things first, yeah. That should be the better. Yeah, as you can see, we're gonna go to transparent that. So I use Paint 3D is my transparent tool. Because I'm running the latest version Windows. It's Windows 11, I guess, yeah. And Windows 11. Okay, once again into that, go to magic select, and if you want to get that, so grass, etc. that, and click done, and delete all the image from after in the background. Resize it. Okay, once again into V, go to Control S, save as, and go to the background is I like this. And wait it, and my transparency is not enabled. Yeah, so don't forget to enable the transparency. When your transparency is, it's kind of weird. The image will not take effect. So go to save. Go to your folder once again. And we're gonna go replace that, cause yeah. And then done. So now we made it transparent. It's pretty easy. So we're gonna go drag it up the image file to here. And drag it out, drop to this one. If you want to put the location it, you need to just press shift also to make the image look better. As you can see, we made it black because this is the clouds, I guess, and this one's the blue one. Yeah, this is quite good. So yeah, this should be gonna be. And let's put now characters. So we're gonna do, you need to, I use one and Chivas, cause yeah. So once you're gonna do, you need to drag it to the project, and repeat the process. So make sure this character is on the front side, not the back side, because yeah, it will might take effect. So I recommend, I accept that use the front side, because make sure the background is at the back, cause this is the background itself. So holding shift. Right here, and move out with the middle click, or press this one to move everywhere here, and push this zoom tool. You need to zoom in and zoom out. Yeah, I didn't use that zoom tool and hand tool because I got my mouse. When you're using a trackpad, you need to use that feature. So we're gonna go resize it, and we're gonna go resize it here. And I put here. As you can see, the outline. This is your location of the character. Okay, so now this is the characters on the outline, as you can see. So now we're gonna go out of the animation. So you need to press this and shift over this one, and go to the arrow tool and transform, and get your seconds here up here. Make sure this position will be enabled while the animation going position, and we want to put the seconds here. So yeah, to move the people from the animation, we have to use position right here. You need to click it. Make sure this one's blue before we get that. So yeah, we need to drag an image like the Kamasia. Yeah, so once you do that animation, this is your animation will be get. See, that is pretty easy, pretty animation. So if you want to add some easing, you need to go to arrows again and transform. Pick that thing and hit shift, and we need to right click, and we're gonna go to easing. And yeah, it's pretty easy, simple. So yeah, this is pretty easy though. Pretty easy project. And we want to add some callouts. So yeah, I'm gonna go save that to make it this thing is now lost. So I'm gonna do, you need to add some callouts. We gotta do, you need to click a box option here, or press a keyboard shortcut blue to pick another one. So I'm going to stick with this, so yeah. And drag an image from that, so press and hold the mouse and drag it up to anywhere. And click the fill. And we're gonna do, we have to change the color yet, so I'm on that. So if we want to adjust the round of the rectangle, you have to do, you need to go to rectangle path. And there we go. Or skew it if you want, yeah. Yeah, skew. Yeah, skew is the thing, yeah. So yeah, if you want to skew, but this one is adjustment, so yeah, if you want to skew that, it doesn't have a skew here, but you need to skew, you need to go to that thing. So yeah, that should be. And once you're getting to be the box sign here, you need to press the timeline right here, the box, this shape, and then press and hold the mouse and drag to the polygon tool. And this is could be the keyboard shortcuts, right? Pressing the Q key, which switches the polygon tool if you want, or circle one, yeah. And then don't forget to press shift. And if you want to move an item because of this one is keep moving, we're gonna do, you need to double click and drag it up and go to polystar to make a triangle. So you're gonna have to go to polystar 1, go to polystar path, and it points to 3%. And now go to the rotation tool or press the W key on the keyboard shortcuts and rotate it. And yeah, if you want to make that profile, you need to go stretch like this and put it right here, and then done. So now we're gonna go trim it here, because this is the text thing. Don't holding shift key. Yeah, shift key is meaning it's kind of move the text here. Alright, once you get into B, we're gonna do, you need to select a text, and we're gonna use Sigo UI and light. Oh, maybe I should go Minecraft font. And you need to add the text. You need to add text from here. You need to press the left mouse and drag into the text here. And this could be at the text. So yeah, if you want to move that thing to at the same time, press shift and drag this one to here. It should be the points, the one, what is it called again? The snap to the timeline. You need to snap those. Holding shift will be nice. And we're gonna go double click the text here and go to type the text. If the text is full, you're gonna do, you need to Control A and adjust the font. I come here and I do. And there we go, we finally complete the call out. So let's preview the video. If you want to preview the video, you will show this thing is like kinda weird. It's kinda weird because the FPS from that, it's not real time. It's kinda frames per second from that, but as you can see, it's smoother. So we're gonna go do. Let's pause that. So we're gonna do. Go to the preview tab here, and go to the skip right here and click 5. This might real time your this one now. Real time, as you can see, is real time. This is where the speed of the animation will be get. So yeah, this will might take effect though. Yeah, up to some things if you want. So go to stick animation, go to things, and I'm going to use matches. Yeah, the fire effect. Then also I forget the fire effect. So if you want to, so search fire effect green screen. If you want to see that, don't get need to beat the notifications. Yeah, as you can see, you're getting to fire here. Yeah, this is quite good. So if we want to make that, we have to make fire or something like that, custom. Drag the fire and repeat the process. The video will be put it on the font. Yeah, every time you make a video, make sure the background is at the back of that timeline, the layers. Cause yeah, don't put the audio on that. So if you want to color key that, you have to do, you need to go to the effects and preset, and go to key, and go to color key here, and the key color make sure it's this, and the feather will increase like this, and then also this. Yeah, if this thing has ultra key, nope, doesn't have ultra key. So there you go. So make it this the fire will might not squeeze green here. You need to choose this and do the feather more. Try for 24. Yep, that should be. So now we're going to put a fire right here. And first of all, I need to put some matches for that because yeah. So you want to add some transition, cross transition. You're gonna do, you have to press the arrow right here, go to transform, make the opacity to 0, and add this blue, and you need to animate that to 100%, and there we go. Got the fire effect, the transition. Yeah, there we go. We got this one. So yeah, matches. The match. Yeah, this is gonna be the match. So what you're gonna do, you need to drag the match here, right here. And put it right here. I'm going to split that. And then what you to split, you need to go to edit, press the timeline, click edit, and go to split layer. And there you go, we got the layer split. You're gonna do, you need to resize and put it right here. And there you go, you got the matches. So now we're gonna do, repeat the process from the animation. So yeah, pretty simple. And go to rotation and go right here, and I'm going to rotate it about 80 degrees. white here. Or we are going to add some even more text. And different color. And I'm going to use I'm going to use that. There you go. So yeah, we need to copy and paste. And would you like to copy and paste? If you don't have copy and paste right here, as I guess you don't have that, what you're gonna do, you need to go to edit and copy that. Yeah, this is pretty simple. And I'm going to adjust the curves. I go to contents, rectangle, here. Yeah, so this is it. This is it for that one. So we're gonna do, if you want to last final lamination, repeat the process as the first one by pressing the keyframe. So if you want to go to lamination for the second time, you're gonna do, you need to press the keyframe here to add the lamination here. So now move it as a charm in, and then there we go, you got finished lamination. So if you want to add curves, but in camera C, it doesn't have curves here, so you're gonna do, you have to add some curves right here. How to use this, and after that, curving will be nice though. Yeah, so curves. So this is a preview now. Now there we go. Got that one now. So there's, oh, whoops. And there we go. We got this one completed. And let's go save it out for quickly. So yeah. Control S for save. Everyone know that now. And there you go, you got curves. So when you're done with your animation, you need to close the program. You don't need to render the video. So yeah, as it before. So close it out and go back to Premiere Pro and find a file once you saved. And this one is 2. So if you want to, when you see this screen, you have to do, you have to press the name of the file we created earlier. So click OK and drag and drop here. And if you want to see not laggy, so you have to press enter. To it might be should gonna be. So it wait until it's finished up. Yeah, this might be take a while. This might be a minute to finish. To make it deal laggy, not laggy, smoothing. To render your animation in your Premiere Pro, to make sure it's not laggy anymore. Wait for it. If your computer is so slow, this will might be the rendering your video. It might be take long. So when your computer is faster, this will might fastly render. When your computer is so slow, it might take 5 to 10 minutes. When the faster computer, it takes 1 to 5 minutes. So yeah, this could be this one. So my computer is so fast, it takes around 3 minutes, and 10 seconds, which means 3 minutes to done. Alright, it's almost done. And there you go, you're done. So if you want to view an animation, it auto plays the video, and so yeah, I'm making this one now. So I'm going to save for a second. And I want to add Hitman now. To add some background music, you're not gonna do. You need to go into the Hitman music. Yeah, it's things messy. Messy downloads. Messy downloads now. Yeah, oh, there we go. So we're gonna add some music. You need to drag here, and then boom, you're done. Let's play it real quick. Yeah, there you go. You guys finally made your first animation. And then you're done. So in the second video, we're gonna go to talk about the render bars. So guys, thanks for watching for the tutorial video from the Stickman video. Subscribe and goodbye.